Hello and welcome to today's video on the Vast Heaven 1, the first private space station. In recent years, space exploration has been a hot topic, and private companies have started investing in space tourism and other related industries. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the creation of the Vast Heaven 1 private space station. In this video, we'll explore what the Vast Heaven 1 is all about, how it works, and what it means for the future of space travel. So let's get started. The Vast Heaven 1 private space station is a project initiated by a private company, with the aim of providing a platform for space tourism and other related activities. The name Vast Heaven is inspired by the Chinese term for space, Kong Tian. The idea behind the project is to provide a space habitat that can be used for scientific research, space tourism, and even as a staging point for missions to the Moon and Mars. The Vast Heaven 1 is designed to be modular, with different sections that can be added or removed depending on the needs of the mission. The initial plan is for the station to consist of several modules, including a crew module, a laboratory module, a habitat module, and a logistics module. The station is expected to be launched in the near future and will be placed in low Earth orbit. Once in orbit, it will be serviced by a variety of spacecraft, including cargo vehicles and crewed spacecraft. The Vast Heaven 1 private space station will work in a similar way to the International Space Station, ISS. It will be in a low Earth orbit, which means that it will be constantly circling the Earth, completing one orbit every 90 minutes. The station will be powered by solar panels, which will generate electricity for the various systems on board. The solar panels will be located on the exterior of the station and will be constantly exposed to sunlight. The station will also have a life support system, which will provide oxygen, water, and food for the crew and any passengers. The system will use a combination of chemical and biological processes to create a sustainable environment for the crew. The crew module will be the section of the station where the crew will live and work. It will contain living quarters, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a workspace for the crew to conduct experiments and other activities. The laboratory module will be used for scientific research. It will contain various scientific instruments and equipment, and will be used to conduct experiments in a microgravity environment. The habitat module will be used for space tourism. It will contain living quarters for tourists, as well as a viewing area where they can observe the Earth from space. The logistics module will be used for storing supplies and equipment. It will also contain airlocks that can be used to transfer crew and equipment between the station and visiting spacecraft. The Vast Heaven 1 private space station represents a major step forward in the development of space tourism and other related industries. It will provide a platform for scientific research, space tourism, and even as a staging point for missions to the Moon and Mars. The Vast Heaven 1 private space station will also pave the way for other private companies to enter the space industry. As more companies invest in space technology, we can expect to see more innovation and progress in this field. Finally, the Vast Heaven 1 private space station will also have significant features like compatible docking with the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, extend the on-orbit duration of commercial Dragon spacecraft, human spaceflight missions for up to 30 days for 4 astronauts, science, research, and in-space manufacturing opportunities, 1,000 W of power, 24/7 communications, and up to 150 kilograms of preloaded cargo mass in Haven 1. Opportunities for lunar artificial gravity by spinning. Fully independent space station providing life support functions and consumables for the full mission's duration. Privacy and control of your crew schedule. Large window dome for viewing and photography. Always on internet via onboard Wi-Fi room to stretch and rest. This is the latest information related to new private space station. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.